Hello everyone, in this video I'll be making a wall sign for my YouTube channel, so let's get started. First I printed the design, and I cut out the design. Due to the size of the sticker, I had to change my design a little bit, and I decided to put the sticker at the bottom with the two letters at the top. And now I'm just taping it onto the cardboard and outlining it with a pencil. Now it's time to cut the design out from the cardboard, and I used heavy-duty scissors because this was relatively dense cardboard. Now that the design is cut out, I can start to paint the letters, and I'm not going to want to paint the part with the sticker on it because the sticker is just going to go over it. So I wanted to get a light blue color. To get the color I wanted, I used 2 coats of paint. The sign looks pretty good so far, but I needed something to really make it shine, so I started testing some of these LEDs. I used blue LEDs to match with the color scheme, and now I'm starting to drill holes into the cardboard. This is where the lights are going to go. I drilled 7 holes on each letter, so a total of 14 LEDs were used, and 14 holes. To get the glow I wanted, I decided to diffuse the LEDs, and I just scraped them over sandpaper to diffuse them. I inserted the LEDs from the back of the cardboard, and turns out they fit perfectly. I'm going to connect the LEDs in series, so I just bent the long and short legs as shown. The long leg pairs with the short leg, and the short leg pairs with the long leg. To connect the LEDs together, I'm going to need this copper conductive tape, and I'm just going to cut pieces of it and tape it in the spaces. It's time to solder the circuit together. I soldered the legs of the LEDs to the copper tape. Before I go any farther, I want to make sure the circuit works and by testing all the LEDs. To power the 14 LEDs, I'm using 4 9-volt batteries, and to connect them, I just use these cheap battery holders. I put heat shrink over the open wires. I also add a switch to the circuit so I could easily turn on and off the LEDs. To clean up the wires, I hot glue them to the back of the sign, and I also hot glue the batteries. The circuit is complete and it's looking good. Now I just have to add the Robotic Nation sticker and we should have a finished product. I'm very happy with how the sign came out, and if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. And if you want this custom sticker that I used in the project, just go to the merch link in the description. Thank you.